Overview of Perpetual Motion Research 2022. Finding evidence that repeats automatically has been difficult. However, in some cases, like the Azure machine, the subtle motion machine, the NIFO-14, and the vertical lever, there appears to be operability. In some other cases, like the crescent lever, swivel lever, and Azure lever, operability is suggested. Math has been investigated which predicts very roughly whether a physical model will have similar properties to a perpetual motion machine. With leverage devices, some of those properties are math is there. The math has predicted such things as the properties of the swivel lever device: leverage 2 to 1 constant, counterweight mass 2 to 3 times, additional long end mass 1 times, net over unity in a balance of less than 150% of 1 times mass minus slight gradient and friction in conditions close to a balance. Here's the swivel lever device, or the closest example I've found so far. And you can see it goes upward automatically, and then it returns. It almost returns all the way automatically, and perhaps it's possible to return it all the way. Very similar, there are separate equations for flying. Basically, flying does the same thing except with plus 100% buoyancy. Example of a kind of flying machine. Some obscure properties have also been reported, including the Azure machine and the unnatural torque, suggesting that once it is possible, perpetual motion will not be just one class of devices. The Azure machine is designed to work through a clever form of angularity, moving in unexpected directions. You can see that's upward slope to the left, but the ball is staying up to the left. So that's pretty interesting. Here's the Azure machine working, essentially. Upward slope to the left. Some of these devices are fabulously complicated, but their properties can be explained. For example, here is unnatural torque. Sometimes there's a list of 12 or more properties for one device, even though they appear to work by simple mechanics.